I'm back, y'all. So I made a trip this morning and I went to Dollar Tree, Homegoods, and Michael's, and I spent probably $200. I told y'all I have a problem when it comes to shopping for Christmas stuff. Well, shopping in general. But for Christmas stuff, I'm just showing y'all what I got. So from Dollar Tree, although my color isn't red this year, I have made Christmas wreaths for my friends in the past. So I picked this up because I feel like I can use this in the future for a wreath if someone asks me for one. It just says Merry Christmas because, you know, red is the traditional Christmas color. So I feel like that's gonna happen. So I just bought it just in case. Then I also bought this. This is actually for Thanksgiving. It says thankful and blessed. And I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use a gold circle. I got that from Michael's. I got a whole bunch of those. So I'm going to do something with this next Thanksgiving. You got to think for the future. Then I got some gold wrapping paper. I got these two warheads. It's a giant sour candy cane. I got one for me and one for my boyfriend's daughter. And at Dollar Tree, y'all, they had this at Dollar Tree. I thought these were so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but I'm definitely gonna be using them. And I got two of them. They also had this tin with the G on it. So I thought this was cute. I can use that in plenty of ways. Then they had these glitter base fillers and they're silver and gold. Really cute. I'm just gonna stand up because it's easier for me to show you guys. I got this little house. I thought this was really cute as well. Or maybe it's a church. All of their ornaments aren't good, but I got a few that were really cute. So it's the same ornament, but some are in silver and some of them are white. Then I got these Merry Christmas ornaments. And then these DIY ornaments. I'm going to make these a snow globe. And so you can just twist the bottom off. You can glue something to the bottom and put some fake snow in here and then just have it hanging. That's what I'm gonna do. I have two of them. And I got this spray bottle from Dollar Tree to spray. You'll see it in my VLOGMAS, I believe day 5 or 6 video. But I'm gonna make a DIY flocked wreath. And so I'm just gonna spray it with this. I just needed a heavy duty spray bottle. I spent about $25 at Dollar Tree. Then I went to Marshall's. Y'all, I was tripping when I was filming this video. I went to Michael's. Michael's, not Marshall's. And I'm not gonna actually show you everything I got from Marshall's because I got like 20 of these little picks. I'll probably just lay them out and then show you that way, but I got 2 of these for a discounted price because the G fell off, so it's supposed to look something like this. I'm going to spray paint this anyway, so it's perfect that it's not attached to it, so I can do that without messing this up. I'm going to spray paint the G's gold and add them to my trees. And then I got 20 other little picks. I'm going to use them as the top of my tree. I saw a girl on YouTube do something like that. And I also put a picture of my tree because by the time you'll see this video, I'll have my trees up. And yeah, so these were mostly $1.99. Some of these, like the flowers, were $6.99 and they were all like 40% off. So I got a mixture of gold, champagne, and silver. And once again, I'll show you a picture of all of them, but I'm not gonna take them out right now. It's just very messy. And then I got some more words. So this one says happy. Oh, it broke. Oh, I'm taking this back. What the heck? Well, it's supposed to say happy holidays. I can't believe that. Girl was a little rough handling my stuff. I got four things of ribbon. They were $12.99 and they were, I think, 50% off. So you have some pink, and obviously I'm not doing pink this year, so these two are for next year because I always go back to pink. And then I have some gold and silver for this year. Here's the rest of the happy holidays. This sucks. It's really cute, but it's broken. Then I got this DIY hot chocolate bomb, and I'm really excited for this. Then I also got some fake poinsettias. I got the colors white. These are $9.99, but they were half off, so I only paid $4.99 for them. That was a small size. I got the large size in the color pink because, once again, pink is my go-to color. That's the color that's in my house. Everything down here is usually pink, so it's my go-to colors. These are artificial, but I wanted to get them because they were on sale. So I got two of these in the large size in the color pink. And the last thing I got from Michaels are these 70 LED warm white green wire lights. You can use these indoor or outdoor, and I am going to actually return the ones that I bought from Walmart that I showed you earlier, because these were only, the original price here is $14.99, but they were on sale for $8.99. So these are way cheaper. I got 5 of them and they cost $44, and the 2 that I got from Walmart cost about $53 together. So I like that I have more for less, and I think they are the same lights. I got 5 of them. One thing I like about Michaels is that they do a lot of sales throughout the winter, and Walmart doesn't. So low prices, yes, but the lights that I bought were $25 a piece. Although they were quality, they never go on sale. So that's why I'm returning them, because I bought these at Michaels and I think I just got a better deal. At Michaels, I spent $150.61, and I actually saved $148. So I basically got half off of everything that I bought today from Michaels, which you can't get that at Walmart. They don't even do freaking price match anymore. Then when I went to HomeGoods just to return something, I found some things that I liked, and I spent about $55 there. So I am a TJX Rewards member, and they gave me 2 rolls of wrapping paper for free. That's cool, although it's not my color. I can use it for other people's gifts that I won't be putting under my tree. Okay, and then I got this. I asked them to take 10% off because it's broken, but I can fix it. I'm very DIY-y. So, see, this here is broken, but this is really beautiful, and I'm just gonna put it here by this tree. So I'll just do that right now, and then I'll come back and glue it later. And then I also got one, but it's smaller, in the silver color. This one is also gonna go by the tree. That bigger one was originally $20, but they gave me 10% off, so I got it for $18. This medium one is $16.99. And then they have various sizes in that one. So they had like a smaller one that was like $14.99 in both colors, gold and silver. But I wanted to get big ones. Go big or go home, right? And then when I was at the checkout, I saw this. I thought this was so beautiful. At first I was like, it's excuse me, can you let me know how much this costs? And he was like, it's $16.99. And I was like, I'm not gonna pay that much for this little thing. But then I kept looking at it. It kept looking at me and it was calling my name. So I bought it. So it has the Ghirardelli peppermint barks in here and the milk chocolate and dark chocolate. And it is so beautiful. It's like a lantern, but it's copper, which is the color that is on my main floor. So when I'm done with the candy, I can actually use it as decoration. Or I could just take the candy out and use it as decoration now. But I had to get this. And I can use it all year round and not just Christmas. So really excited for this little piece. Right now I'm just going to put it by my tree with the candy inside. But later I will be using it as decoration. So now this concludes this Christmas shopping haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're addicted to shopping like I am, let me know in the comments below because I know I'm not alone. I can't be the only one. If I see something nice, I literally have to get it because you only live once. You gotta do what makes you happy. If you can afford it, don't live above your means. I spent quite a lot of money in this entire haul, and then some things I didn't even show you, like my 2 Christmas trees that I brought. I'll show you pictures of the finished tree, but yeah, I spent quite a lot of money this year for Christmas, and I'm not going to be spending any more money because I literally have nowhere else to put this stuff in my garage. So I gotta not get any more Christmas stuff. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, I'm just wrapping right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post, and you want to make sure you subscribe because I am doing Vlogmas 2022 and I'm really excited to share with you guys what else I do for Vlogmas. So check my channel out throughout December and stay tuned for my next Vlogmas video. Until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye. Thanks for watching Vlogmas 2022.